In this video, let me show you how to transfer money from Landbank to PayMaya. First is log into your Landbank account, go to the site, and then enter your username and password, then click Login. After that, click Fund Transfer, then choose Transfer to other banks via InstaPay, after which, enter the correct wire details. Now select Maya Philippines Inc. as the bank. Next, enter the recipient's PayMaya mobile number as the account number. After that, input the transfer and other remarks if needed. Lastly, double-check your details, enter the OTP sent to your phone, and confirm the transaction. Once done, you'll receive a confirmation and the money will be sent instantly. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.